ES01 Fume Extractor released. Flame retardant telescopic air duct, stretch at will. Support airspeed adjustment. 4000 RPM high-speed brushless motor. White and green lights can be switched. Fumes and dusts are clearly visible. Easily handle various scenarios. Extract and clean fumes seamlessly. Connect to computer through the C port, upgrade freely. Fully aluminum alloy shell, solid, stable, and good-looking. Strong combination of activated carbon and HEPA filtration, double purification, effectively removing peculiar smell. Support BS08 voice center control. Come with a 7-core aviation connector. Support interconnection with T400D.